Hey there! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Constitution of India. Whether you're studying for exams or just curious, this is your quick guide to understanding the supreme law of the land. First up, did you know that India has the longest written constitution in the world? Yep, it includes a preamble, 22 parts, 12 schedules, and over 470 articles. It's a detailed document designed to cover every aspect of governance. Let's start with the preamble. The preamble is like the introduction to a book, but way more important. It declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It promises its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Quite a mouthful, right? Moving on, we have the fundamental rights and duties. Articles 12 to 35 outline the fundamental rights, which include equality, freedom of speech, and protection against exploitation. These rights ensure that we can live with dignity and freedom. Alongside these rights, Article 51A lists the fundamental duties, emphasizing our moral obligations to the nation. It's a two-way street, folks. Then, there are the directive principles of state policy. Articles 36 to 51 guide the government to establish a just society, focusing on social and economic welfare. Think of these as the goals that the government should aim for. India's federal structure is unique. While power is divided between the union and state governments, there's a strong central government. This is known as federal with a unitary bias. It ensures stability while accommodating diversity. Now let's talk about the parliamentary system. India has a bicameral legislature, which means there are two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha represents the people, while the Rajya Sabha represents the states. Together, they make laws and ensure governance. An independent judiciary is another cornerstone. The Supreme Court of India acts as the guardian of the Constitution. It ensures justice and protects our fundamental rights. The Constitution is not set in stone. It can be amended to meet evolving needs. Notable amendments include the 44th Amendment in 1978 and the 73rd and 74th Amendments for local governments. Universal adult franchise is a game changer. Every citizen above 18 has the right to vote, ensuring that everyone has a say in the governance of the country. Lastly, the Constitution promotes secularism and social justice. It ensures equal respect for all religions and aims to eradicate discrimination based on caste, creed, or gender. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the Constitution of India. It's a living document that continues to guide the world's largest democracy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.